This video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Wspn. So, this is the ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. My video is only for educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. In the video, I will simply show you what happens before the ransomware attack and after the ransomware attack. So you can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack, we are able to open the files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. And then very soon users understand that they can no longer access their data because of this Wspn extension, which gets appended to the file names. So the ransomware is called like that because it appends this Wspn extension and it's not possible to use the files anymore. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. So don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware urgently with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and as soon as it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely, the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats. By the way, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data with this anti-ransomware feature. But it does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt files, by the way. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, which will help you to always get your data protected. And also, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data.